Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Publix about to get into some really simple, really easy food deals this week. Some great grocery items to pick up. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. Well, anytime I walk into Publix, I always have to go and scan the clearance to see what it's working with. They had a lot of jams and preserves and all of that on clearance. I wasn't interested in any of that, but they also had some skincare that looked pretty interesting on clearance because we do have digital coupons that are a match for that. I ended up deciding to pick up these Nivea sensitive lotions for $3.63 because we do have a $2 paper coupon that would have made them $1.63. Yeah, I ended up putting these back later because it was making my total too high. Yes, the $1.63 was making my total too high because y'all know I can pay for these with extra bucks. So I ended up putting them back, but this is a good deal. If you need it, be on the lookout for clearance at your store. My favorite deal this week is on the Family Guard spray for sure. We have a lot of different places that you can pick this spray up. Family Dollar has it for cheap. You can use the $4 off of 2 paper coupon, get them for 25 cents there. Dollar General has them for $2.50. You can get them for free or cheap there. And then here Publix has them for $4.99 for 2. So pick up 2 for $4.99. Use the 4 off of 2 paper coupon. That makes them just 49 cents each, which is definitely a stock up price for cleaning products. I did pick up some I Can't Believe It's Not butter. So since I live in Half BOGO, I was able to pick up just one of these and use the $1.50 digital coupon. So these are $4.49 for 2, or when you divide that up, it'd only be $2.25 for 1. So after the $1.50 coupon, it made this just 74 cents. The Green Giant vegetables are 99 cents each on the BOGO sale, and I have a lot of these 50-cent tear pad coupons that I got from Kroger that make these boxes just 50 cents. Now this coupon is for 8 ounces or larger, so make sure that you get the 8 ounce. We also have a really nice deal on the Moray seafood. So these are buy one, get one free at $10.89. Ibotta does have $1.75 back. We also have a 3 off of 2 printable coupon on their website. If you just want to use Ibotta alone, then these will be $3.69 each. I love when we have this deal on the Pillsberry biscuits because we actually rolled through a lot of biscuits. My son really likes them, I think because they're so plain. I don't know, he likes plain food. But these are $3.59 buy one, get one free. The price as far as the buy one, get one free pricing will vary from place to place. So you just want to make sure with this deal, we're going to be using a 5 off of 15 Pillsbury coupon, that whatever your BOGO price is, that you buy at least $15 worth before the buy one get one free is applied. So let's say your buy one get one free was $3.89. You would only need to buy 4 of these because $3.89 times 4 is $15.56. Since mine is $3.59, I'm gonna have to pick up 5 of these in Half BOGO, and that is gonna total me up to $17.95. We're gonna divide that $17.95 by 2 because we're gonna save half of that money with the sale. After the 5 off of 15 is applied, I'm gonna end up paying $3.97 for all 5, and then I'm also gonna submit over to Fetch Rewards for 90 cents back on 5. Gonna make my final cost for these just $3.07 for all 5 cans. Dunkin coffee is a deal I knew I was going to do, even though it is a better deal at Kroger this week. I already got some at Kroger also, but I can never have too much coffee because I drink it multiple times a day. But this is $6.99, and then we do have $4.25 back on Ibotta, which makes each box just $2.74. And if you need some creamer to go with your Dunkin coffee, the Starbucks is buy one, get one free this week. So we have 2 different Ibotta rebates for these. We got $1 back on the regular or $1.50 back on the pumpkin spice. So if you were to do the pumpkin spice, you can grab this for as low as $1.74. I have a lot of creamer already from the deals that we've done for the past couple weeks. So I'm gonna hold on the creamer, but this is a good deal if you like Starbucks. We have a really nice deal on Thomas bagels this week, so I had to get some because I like bagels too. So these are buy one, get one free for $5.49. I had a 75-cent digital coupon that I used on 1 pack, and then I also had a fetch offer for 1,600 points back on 2. It made my final cost for 2 packages just $3.14 or $1.57 each. I forgot to grab this deal on the Noni's Bites yesterday, so I had to go back and get them. But these are $2.99 each, and then we also have a digital coupon for $1 that makes them $1.99, and we have $1.25 back on Ibotta that makes them just 74 cents. If you still have your $1 digital for the Simply variety of chips, you might want to grab some. These are buy one, get one free for $5.29. After that $1 digital is applied, one bag will be just $1.64. And I knew I had to do this deal on the queso dip when I saw that it was on sale. Now, this deal you might want to hold on to, especially if you live in Florida, because we have a buy one get one free digital, and if y'all have a buy one get one free sale on this, which we sometimes do, that'll make 2 of these completely free. So I don't want you to use your digital prematurely, but me, I'm actually going to use this dip this weekend, so it was okay for me to go on ahead and do this deal because it is a very good price on queso. So these are on sale for $4.50, and then we have a buy one get one free digital, and we have a $1 digital. Both of those are coming off at the register, making 2 of these queso dips only $3.50. I am not doing this deal on the General Mills cereal bars because I have enough of these in my life. But if you like these or if you need them, these are a pretty decent deal. So they're $4.19 BOGO for the soft baked bars, and then on Ibotta, I do have $1 back, which will make these just $1.10 each. If you have any coupons or if you have Fetch rewards, because there are a lot of different General Mills Fetch offers, look on your accounts and see if you have something to turn this into a sweeter deal. But even at $1 per box, that's not bad at all. Next deal I'm doing, I have been doing this for a couple weeks. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen it by now. These 7-count wipes that are $1.79, we have a $5 and a $2 coupon that do apply on these, giving $1.63 in overage. So I've been grabbing these whenever I come to the store because not only is it a nice freebie, I like to keep these in my purse, but it's also a good way to get some overage to help towards your total. So here's everything that I picked up from Publix today. This was a very easy trip this week. Super simple, super great products to get this week. I paid out $36.76 plus tax, and then I did get back $12 from Ibotta, and I got back $2.80 from Fetch Rewards. Made my entire basket $21.96, or like paying about $1 per item. So we were shopping at the Dollar Tree, but instead we were at Publix grabbing these high value food items for $1. So I think that that's a pretty good deal. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.